How to transfer data from Android to Android. In this video, we're going to be talking about how you're going to be transferring all of your data from one Android phone to another. Now, there are 2 to 3 ways you can do this. The first and easiest way would be to use your Google. Okay, now you can use your Google Drive, you can use your Google Backup Cloud, whatever you want. Now, as you can see, if you have your Google logged in, you simply have a proper cloud log in the backend that you can pretty much use and add into your repertoire. Because when you're using your phones, obviously you get an option to add things into your Google backup. And what you can do in that case is when you buy another Android phone, you can simply log in your Google account over there, and that backup can be restored from there. Now that's one way. The other way would be through a data cable. You connect a data cable to your PC, and what you do from there is go over to your file explorer. Right here, it's going to be connected. Transfer the files into a different folder and connect your other phone through a data cable and transfer those files from your PC to the other phone. And the third way, which is a little, storage inconvenient way, but you can simply use your Google Drive. Upload all your files on Google Drive, and then on the Android phone, download Google Drive and download those files from Google Drive onto that phone. So that's basically ways on how you can transfer data from Android to Android. So if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to see all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.